Cooking with the boys.
Today we will be making my favorite. Today we will be making one of my favorite healthy breakfasts, avocado toast.
What you're gonna need is avocados, some nice crusty bread, salt and pepper, olive oil, and if you're looking for something more filling, an egg. First, we're gonna toast the bread. Yes, sirree. We're going to cut the avocado.
Avocado from Mexico. Now let's spread some avocado.
Now, once you spread it, put some salt and pepper and olive oil. Now, it's ready to eat.
If you like, you can put some eggs too. Now let's eat.